I will be reviewing 4 different types of eyeliner. These two are from higher end brands and these two are from drugstore brands. I will start from Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner. It has a net weight 3 grams. Comes in this glass jar. This is in black ink. There are other shades as well. This is how it looks like from inside. Gel eyeliners have ease of using it because this not only gives highly defined lining of the eye, because we will be using our own preferred eye brushes for this gel eyeliner. We can use any eye brushes, and because we would be more handy with it and we'll be able to use it more easily. Gel eyeliners also give more fluidity because it's not too thick like kajal liners and it's not too thin like a liquid liner, so we do not have to be very careful about how we are using it. Also, the claim of long wear is right, I would say, because it can easily last 8 to 9 hours even on a oily eyelid like mine. The box has ingredients and it says that it's made in Belgium. This costs 1600 Indian rupees and I would say it's quite worth it because of its long wear and ease to use. Next, I will show you Tom Ford. This is its eye defining pen and it says it's 0.8 milliliters. It is in shade Deeper 01 and I have not seen it in any other shades than this in the market, so I think it just makes one shade only as of now. On the other side it has ingredients and it says made in Japan. This eye defining pen is very unique because it has two sides. One is a felt tip side, which means that it has a felt tip pen side, and the other side is of a brush side. This is how it looks. The longer one, which is pointing towards north, is of the brush side, and this south one, this is the felt tip side. This actually works really well for defining and making pointed cat eyes. Because of its two sides, it has more versatility and more of use can be taken out of it. Once you get the hang of this pen, you cannot go to any other eyeliner because it's too good. It is very easy to use this pen. Next, I'll be reviewing this Color Bar waterproof liquid eyeliner, which has 2.5 ml. It says that it's made in Argentina. This is a black liquid eyeliner. This is how the brush looks like. Only issue with liquid eyeliners is that you need to practice very well to apply from it. Next is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and everything is just erased from it because of overuse, lol. It is a twist and turn kajal, so it's quite easy to use and keep. Issue that I find with kajals is that to remove these kajals it takes immense amount of effort, I would say. It does last a long time, but for removing it from your eye it just takes a lot of effort. Also, when you apply this, a sticky kind of mark comes, and I don't really like that kind of eyeliner on my eye. If we see price wise, this one is the least expensive, and this one, Tom Ford one, is most expensive. But I would say it's the most versatile one and also easy to use. This one is most easy to use as well because this is a gel liner and also it's long wearing. Hope you like the differences between different types of eyeliners. Thanks for watching.